Hello guys, welcome to another interesting video. In this video I am going to do an unboxing of the Sjcam mic. Since I have a Sjcam SJ6 Legend with me and I just bought a Sjcam mic. I just got this pack in the morning before wasting any more time. Let's unbox the Sjcam mic. I don't have a knife, so first let me unbox everything, then I come deeply into the mic part. SJ6, SJ7, SJ360. Sjcam SJ6 mic. Hello. Plug. Sjcam box. So guys, I just unboxed the Sjcam mic. That is what it's called, Sjcam mic. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the Sjcam and put it right here below the camera setup and I'm gonna record voice with this Sjcam SJ6 Legend inbuilt microphone. Then I'm gonna attach the Sjcam mic right at the same place where the camera Sjcam has put in. And now you guys hearing in my regular camera setup. Now you guys hearing in Sjcam SJ6 Legend inbuilt microphone. Now you guys hearing in the Sjcam SJ6 Legend attached to external microphone. So this is the quick comparison or quick unboxing of the Sjcam SJ6 Legend external microphone. I think that's all for today's video. See you guys in the next video. In the next video I'm going to show you how I set up my action camera to the helmet. So see you guys in the next video. Peace.